Am I going to be homeless if I sell my house? It's a valid question and hands down, one of the top questions that I'm getting from so many homeowners. And I'm going to be answering that question right now. Okay, listen up, homeowners. I'm hearing this question over and over again. Hey, Latrice, I really want to sell my house, but I don't know where I'm going to go. What do you mean you don't know where you're going to go? The market is dictating that sellers can have whatever they want. So what are you going to do? You are going to put your home on the market and go buy a home. Go and buy a home. Oh, but Latrice, there's so many buyers out there right now. There's so much competition. Well, guess what, sellers? The market is in your favor right now, and you are practically getting whatever you want. Do you want my firstborn child? Take them. Do you want cash? There you have it. Do you want to negotiate a lease back right there inside of your contract? Done. Do you need to stay inside of your house for the next 3 months? Gotcha. You guys, you are getting whatever you want. So sell your home. I don't have a crystal ball. Nobody has a crystal ball. But what I can say is I think we might be at the height of the market. And so you want to sell and get as much money for your home as possible. Okay, so what are your options while you're out there house hunting? Well, if you have a wonderful realtor like myself, the realtor can negotiate right there inside of your contract a leaseback option. Hey, Mr. Buyer, yes, you can buy my home, but I'm going to need some time to go out there and look for my next home. Is that okay with you? They're going to say yes. Some other options that you might not have thought about are short-term rentals. Go out there and do a short-term rental while you're looking for that next home. Again, interest rates are super low and you want to take full advantage of the market. We haven't seen interest rates this low since the late 1950s, and I don't foresee interest rates being this low again in our lifetime. So we want to take advantage of it. So you need to go out there and start looking for the home that you're going to purchase. But again, where do you go? Well, you can stay in your house for a little bit. You can go rent a property while you're out there looking for your next property. If you have adult kids, go crash their party. They crashed your party for the last 18 years. Go do the same to them. If you haven't, consider an Airbnb. Airbnb's long-term rentals are pretty affordable. Their definition of long-term is more than 30 days, so consider it. But at the end of the day, do not let the idea or the myth of being homeless stop you from putting your home on the market. It's a no-brainer to me. You are getting whatever you want. Prices above asking, no contingencies. You're not having to pay for termite damage. You're even getting free leasebacks. Some of my clients are actually getting the leasebacks for free. The buyers are like, you need another month or two? You can have it for free, because that's how much in favor of sellers this market is, that they want your house so badly that they're willing to give it to you for free. So there you have it. A little realty with LD. You guys, I do these tips for sellers and buyers on a weekly basis. If you like what you see, subscribe, like, comment, and ring that bell so that you can get alerted the next time I have a video come out. Until next time, thanks again, and I'll see you soon.